Let's start with your childhood first. What kind of influences did you have in your early life?
Influences as in my family was always there. मेरा परिवार हमेशा मेरे साथ होता था. And since I was really small, since I was 4, I've been doing modeling. So मैं बहुत child modeling कर चुकी हूँ. So I always enjoyed being in front of the camera and doing things and acting and being a drama queen basically, which I am. And so that's my influences have been very great. My family's been always supportive of everything in my life. So.
And how was your school life like? Were you a good student?
I was an okay student. I was always very average. I was never a great student, and I was never a really bad student. But I was never interested in my studies or कभी पढ़ाई में interest नहीं था मेरा. I was always interested in like being with my friends or being at home, or I'd rather read a book than read my textbooks, obviously. So, but I was not a great student. But school life was fun, obviously. It was not like I hate going to school and all. So it was good.
Were you always going to end up here? Were you very sure that this is what you were going to do?
Yeah, I was pretty much very sure because I enjoyed it so much and I was really small, and as I said, I've always enjoyed acting and being in front of the camera. I really enjoy being on a set. I don't know, that atmosphere really gives me a high. तो मुझे हमेशा पता था कि मैं यही करूँगी. And then when I was 15, I think I did my first music video and I looked really small in the video. And so after that, a lot of film people started contacting me. Then I did my second music video, which was the Lift video. And then I got a lot of film work. And then I was obviously sure that I'm going to do this. So yeah, I was very certain that this is what I wanted to do.
You happy with your first project, the way it turned out?
My first film, Tarzan, with Abbas Mastanji, which was one of the nicest experience of my life. And unfortunately, the film didn't do well, yeah. And obviously, you feel bad when your film doesn't do well. I can't deny that. You expect that your film should do well, everyone should like it. Well, it didn't work that way, but I'd still have it just this way in life if I had to live again, because इतना अच्छा experience रहा उनके साथ काम करके, and I'm working with them again. I'm doing more films with them now, so it's just knowing them and learning so much from them. So I'm very happy with the whole experience.
Would you say it actually helped you in some way, as in you not burdened with expectations very early?
Yeah, actually मैं उसी दिन 2 दिन पहले बात कर रही थी किसी से. I was just telling them that it's so important in life. You learn so many things because of the experiences you go through, and my film didn't do well, and that's why I learned so much more actually, because nobody expected कि Aisha क्या इसका man, and a film has to be, so everybody's like, okay, she's a sweet new girl, and then they'll just have to wait for my next film and then judge me by that. So I think I'm just very happy with the way things have turned out in my life. So I have no complaints.
So what do you do when you're not shooting?
Firstly, I get very depressed because I need to be shooting all the time. But if I'm not, I'm mostly with my family. मैं बहुत time बिताती हूँ. I think in a few years they're going to be very fed up of me because I'm always wanting to be with them, always wanting to spend time with them, especially my mom and my sister. And I read these days. मैं बहुत books नहीं पढ़ती थी पहले, लेकिन अब मैं आदत बना रही हूँ. I want to read nice books. I like Rumi and Deepak Chopra, and I've gone pseudo suddenly, and I like those books. So मैं TV देखती हूँ. Of course मेरे promos आ रहे हैं नए films के, तो बहुत excited हूँ कि हम सब देखते हैं TV. 2-3 hours a day at least we watch the promos and watch what are the new films coming out. And of course I go for lots of drives. फिर बहुत 2-3 friends हैं मेरे life में, उनको phone करती हूँ. I spend time with people in the film industry who I know. So I do a lot of other stuff in life, but I generally I'm not too happy when I'm not shooting, because मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि मैं काम करूँ और set पे रहूँ. So that's why.
You said you just initiated yourself into reading.
Yeah.
You imbibe those things when you're acting out? Does it help in some way?
Well, it depends everything helps, in life. And since I really enjoy acting, honestly. I'm not just saying I have passion and all, but I really enjoy it. I really enjoy being on the set. And reading sort of helps you in a lot of ways in life. और मैं पहले पढ़ती नहीं थी, books नहीं पढ़ती, and my mom used to always say, you should read, it's such a good habit. But I've learned that in every way, not only acting, but in terms of the people you meet and how you come across in life and the things you think about. Everything has changed because of these things. So it's very important, reading. It's helped me a lot, yeah, definitely, in acting somewhere also.
Tell me about your forthcoming projects.
My forthcoming film is called Dil Mange More with Shahid Kapoor, and Anant Mahadevan is the director, and the songs are out, so I'm very excited. And दूसरी फिल्म भी है, सोचा ना था नाम है फिल्म का, विजेता फिल्म के साथ. इम्तियाज़ अली इज़ द डायरेक्टर, और अभय देओल, सनी देओल के भाई जो है वो एक्ट कर रहे हैं मेरे ऑपोजिट, इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं उनको. तो these are the 2 films that are releasing. Both are releasing in December, so I'm really excited. I have 2 releases in December, and that's all for now. And I'll soon be starting shoot for another film with Abbas Mastan in Jan, which I'm very excited about.
Yeah, you telling me about Dil Mange Mo.
या दिल मांगे मोर जो है हैज़ बिन अ वेरी फन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ, क्योंकि बहुत ही फास्ट हो चुका है सब फिल्म का शूटिंग, एडिटिंग, प्री प्रोडक्शन, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन, शूटिंग, एवरीथिंग, यू नो, एडिटिंग, सब खत्म हो गया है इन 6 months एंड द फिल्म इज रिलीजिंग ऑन December 24th. So it's been a really nice experience because all young people on the set, 4 of us, and we had a few scenes with the other girls I had, but you know, it's just a nice experience also working with Shahid. He's a really nice actor, talented boy. Director जो है आनंद महादेवन, वो भी actor रह चुके हैं, तो वो समझता है कि you know when you're saying something in a scene, what you mean, what you know, obviously all directors do, but working with an actor is really different. So that's been fun for me also. और मैं promos देख रही हूँ, rushes देखा है, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, and the character I'm playing is like this naughty खड़ूस girl who's always shouting and she has glasses in the film, and it's something that I'm looking forward to seeing myself on big screen, you know, looking like that girl. So I'm really excited about the film, definitely.
Tell me more about the character you play.
My character's name is Shagun, and I really like the name. And because she's such a khadus girl, it's almost funny that her name is Shagun, and she's like always shouting and she's fighting with people, and she has this wall because you know her father, unke pitaji jo hai, he left her mother when she was like 12 years old for another woman. So she's really this girl who doesn't like guys, and she always thinks that they're only after one thing and they're really bad. So she has these walls in front of her, but actually she's a really soft, emotional person. So that's the character, and she's a fashion designer. So I love clothes and I love accessories, so I enjoyed that part of her as well. जो room था मेरा film में, it's all decorated with like pictures and clothes cuttings and all. So I enjoyed the character and what she was, and so that's basically Shagun.
How important is it for you to identify with a character to be able to portray it properly?
Well, I think somewhere you identify with most characters. You identify with all characters somewhere, you know. So it is important that you understand what you're doing. But sometimes character जो है आपका film में, that is not at all something that you are. So you have to understand that and become that, and you know, portray it in your way. But I think with most people you identify in life. So yeah, it's definitely important that you would definitely.
Yeah, you just told me that you can at some level identify with every character that you portray.
Yeah,
would you ever try to, you know, discover a character even as you portray it?
या डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि हर कैरेक्टर में अपना तो जो है वो ज़रूर आता है, यू नो, यू कांट बिकम समवन एल्स, यू कैन पोर्ट्रे एवरी कैरेक्टर इन द वे यू वुड बी एज दैट पर्सन. सो डेफिनेटली छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है वो कैरेक्टर करती है, वो आपको ऐड करना पड़ता है एज एन एक्टर. और फिर ऑब्वियसली हर फिल्म में डायरेक्टर जो है वो भी बताते हैं, वो कुछ चीज़ें अलाउ करते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें अलाउ नहीं करते हैं. तो यू हैव टू वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली टू द डायरेक्टर मोस्टली. एंड इन मोस्ट फिल्म्स एक्टर्स हैव टू, ऑफ कोर्स after a superstar, I don't know how it works, but most films your director tells you what you can and cannot do, and you work according to those lines. But there is a lot that you can add, you know, in that person. It's really fun actually going on set every day and being someone you're not, and romancing someone who's not your boyfriend, and dancing around trees, and I enjoy it thoroughly.
Oh, your mom sitting here.
Yeah, I know that. That's cool.
Okay. Tell me more about, coming back to Dil Mange More.
Yeah.
Tell me more about the music. Anand Mahadevan's last movie had fabulous music.
Yes, he did.
Tell me more about the music in detail.
Well, I think I'm not just saying this because it's my film, but there are 6 or 7 songs I think in the film, and they're all so good. And Himesh has done Tarzan also before, so I've worked with him before. He's really sweet and he's extremely talented. और वो इतनी फिल्में कर रहे हैं आज. And every film has so much, such melodious and such sweet music that everybody really wants to listen to repeatedly. और तो Dil Mange More really has very young and fun music, and the 2 songs that are out now on the promo I really like. So I like it. Maybe I'm biased, but I'm very happy with the music of the film because all the songs are good. ऐसे नहीं है कि CD खरीदो कि first 2-3 songs are good and then all are pakao, but they're really good songs. So yeah.
Which is your favorite track?
My favorite track is Kubaku. There's a song, Kubaku Mujhe Tu Nazar Aaye, which is of course sung for me. But yeah, that's the song that I like the most in the film.
How was the atmosphere on the sets like? Tell me about your interactions with your co-stars.
Funny, I'm not like this person who goes out of my way to be anyone's friend because I'm so into my work and my thing when I'm there on the set. But I really had fun, you know, shooting for this film क्योंकि director जो है इतने sweet है, patient है, then the co-stars इतने दोनों लड़कियों के साथ मेरा कम काम था, क्लाइमैक्स में 2-3 दिन काम था. They were really sweet girls and there was no issue कि लोग बोलते हैं मुझे कि 3 हीरोइन सेट पे क्या होता होगा कि कॉस्ट्यूम देखकर ये बोलेंगे. There was no such problem, luckily for me. because I'm very blatant. अगर मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं आएगा तो I'll show it. So I didn't have a problem, luckily enough. And शाहिद के साथ भी it was really nice fun working with him क्योंकि वो बहुत talented है, and it's always fun doing scenes with people who give you so much in the scene and in your lines and things. So बहुत fun experience रहा है मेरे लिए. I've enjoyed it thoroughly.
How was it working with Soha?
Soha, it was really nice, and she's a really sweet girl, and it was her first Hindi film, and she's done Bengali films. So we used to joke about things that, you know, in the songs and how she had to do. And I remember climax mein ek scene tha jahan, I can't tell you what happened, but we had to fall off from somewhere, and both of us had to fall together. So we had many retakes because she was a little short, so the railing would come in the way, and she would not fall, and she got stuck, and we laughed so much. So it was really fun, and हम लोग डमशराज खेलते थे मलेशिया में, I remember, and we really had fun, all of us. So it was really nice working with her as well. She's a very nice girl.
This film is got to be crucial for your career.
Yeah.
Lot at stake?
Well, I think that people will really like the film, and I know that, you know, this film has a lot to do with people are waiting to see what my second film is like, and I hope कि उनको पसंद आए. I really hope, and I've tried hard to do a good job at what I'm doing in the film, and but I don't think that one film that doesn't do well, you know, would affect my life thoroughly, because I am shooting for other films. But yeah, it is sort of crucial, and I hope to God that it does well. So I have good expectations from the film, definitely.
Tell me about the other film that's going to release in December.
सोचा ना था, वो बहुत ही अच्छी film है. It's a really simple film. That's the word for it, because it has no extra gloss or no glamour, and I'm wearing loose salwar kameezes in the film. I have like silver jewelry and only kajal, very minimal makeup. तो वो बहुत ही it's someone that I'm not in real life, you know. So I enjoyed playing that character a lot, और वो film को काफी time लगा in the making. So I think I lived with that character so long, I was somewhat becoming that. People were getting sick of me, and but I enjoyed that. It's a love story, and I love doing love stories. I enjoy romance thoroughly, and I enjoy shooting for that. So it's been a very fun thing to shoot for that, because that's so opposite of Dil Mange More. It's not like it at all. So I think people get to see me in different lights. You know, Tarzan, I was this typical commercial glam girl from London, and, you know, talking like, you know, the normal Hindi filmy girl. And then Dil Mange More is this young girl who lives in Bombay. Unki maa ke saath rehti hai, fashion designer, very khadus, and she's simple, and she wears glasses. And in this film, I'm a very simple girl who doesn't have parents, and I wear Indian clothes. And so I think there's a difference in the characters that I've played, and I hope that people like it, yeah.
Did you ever contemplate giving up on this career probably after Tarzan or before that? Did that point ever come in your life when you said?
No, I think if I only have flops in my whole life, I'll still be doing films only. I don't think it bothers you to an extent where you want to give up your career, whether a film does well or not. And I don't think at all. And I would keep doing films, and I will keep doing films. And my films, even if they don't do well or they do well, I don't think that would decide whether I will do this or not. So yeah.
Well, you must have been depressed.
Well, I was not depressed at all, funnily enough, but I wished that it had done better, more so not for my sake, because I'm still new and I'm still doing other films, but Abbas Mastan ji have always given hits, and they tried something that was really something that जो किसी ने try नहीं किया पहले, एक कार पे film बनाना. तो it was a risk, and it was a great attempt, I think, और जिनको पसंद आया I'm happy, and जिनको नहीं पसंद आया, what can I do? It's a film after all, and you have to move on. तो मैं दूसरी फिल्में कर रही हूँ, और वो शायद लोगों को पसंद आए. So that's it.
Do you think it's strange the film did not do well, but Vatsal and yourself, both of you are going great?
Yeah, it's not strange. I think people in everything doesn't depend on the film doing well or not doing well. I think अगर आपका काम अच्छा हो, अगर आप honestly काम कर रहे हो, और लोगों को वो दिखे और लगे कि हाँ, she is my character, I want her in my film, कि you know she's done a good job, and then they'll work with you. So I don't think it depends if your film didn't do well, you know, things are not going to work out for you, or even if things were being slow, I'm still 19 and I have a while to go, so I'm okay.
What, do you believe in method acting or any particular?
Well, no, मैं कभी ऐसी चीज़ों में बिलीव नहीं करती हूँ. मैं बिलीव भी नहीं करती हूँ कि आप एक्टिंग क्लास में जाकर कुछ एक्टिंग सीख सकते हो. Maybe you can learn to get rid of your inhibitions, या दूसरों के साथ, you know, how to behave with other people and enact with them and interact. पर आप एक्टिंग सीख नहीं सकते हो, and it's just something that comes from within. It's something that you really want to do and you can do. So yeah, that's what I don't think I can define it in any way.
So do you read about acting or something that
Well, no, I'm not really read about it. मैंने रॉयस्टन नेबल एक डायरेक्टर है, थिएटर डायरेक्टर जो दिल्ली से, उनके साथ मैंने 10 डे का वर्कशॉप किया था. आई रिमेंबर 4 years बैक. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई रियली डिड. और मुझे हिंदी सीखना पड़ा था बिकॉज आई वाज रियली बैड एट हिंदी. और मेरे फैमिली में लोग हिंदी में बात नहीं करते हैं. एंड माई मॉम इज़ एंग्लो इंडियन, वो हाफ ब्रिटिश है और हाफ महाराष्ट्रन है. मेरे डैड गुजराती है, तो हम इंग्लिश में ही बात करते हैं. एंड यू ग्रो अप, स्कूल में भी नहीं सीखा. सो आई हैव लर्नड हिंदी एंड आई नॉट लर्नड एक्टिंग एज सच, बट आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग दैट just comes to you. So yeah,
You born and brought up in Bombay.
हाँ, मैं बॉम्बे में ही रही हूँ. So I love this city, and wherever you go in the world and you shoot anywhere or you're traveling anywhere, you go for a holiday and after 10 days you're like, I need to go back to Bombay. So yeah, I'm here and I love the place.
Okay, coming back to your acting
Yeah.
methods, do you think talking to your seniors help? Like Mr. Anand Mahadevan, you said he himself is an actor,
Yeah.
or perhaps someone else.
The thing about acting is that you have to, I feel, this is just my opinion, that you have to have a very open mind and you have to notice that you're doing crap or you're looking stupid someday, or you know जो कर रहे हो वो बकवास है. Sometimes you have to realize that, and if someone tells you and someone's trying to help you, and you have to let that in, you know. And the attitude where I know everything has to not be there with acting, because you have to try and work with people. So I've been very fortunate कि मैं बहुत ऐसे लोगों से मिली हूँ. मेरी पहली फिल्म में इम्तियाज़ अली जो थे डायरेक्टर, ही इज़ वेरी गुड. ही वॉज अ थिएटर डायरेक्टर, तो उनके साथ बात करके मैं बहुत सीखी हूँ. आनंद महादेवन जी जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर है, आप सब जानते हो. तो वर्किंग विथ हिम यू टॉक सो मच अबाउट द सीन एंड एवरीथिंग, बहुत सीखना मिलता है. अब्बास मस्तान जी जो इतनी अच्छी फिल्में बनाते हैं. So I've really been lucky, you know, thanks to God, that I've met people who've taught me so much along the way, and hopefully things will be the same along.
You've done theatre?
No, not really. I did a 10-day acting workshop, you know, but just with friends and things. लेकिन theatre नहीं किया है मैंने. But I would love to, because I went for a play recently and I loved it so much, and I'm trying to go more and more. So I will probably.
Which play was that?
There was this friend of mine called Alok, and what was the play called? I can't remember. Pyar something here or something it was called. Very nice play, but you must see, they've done like 920 plays or something of that, and I don't know. So it was really good.
You open to television?
No, not really. I'm not at all open to television. I'm too happy doing my films, and I think I'll stick to that.
Okay. So you've got 3 projects in hand right now.
Yes.
When the 3rd project gonna go on floors?
Well, in Jan I should start shooting for that film, so I don't know when that will. Talks are still on and I have the basic dates, but पता नहीं कभी release होगा और कभी completion होगा, तो वो अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बता सकती.
That's also gonna be a thriller?
Well, it will be a very Abbas Mastan film. That's all I can say.
Okay.
That's what you can expect from them. Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's it.
Thank you.